Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are fine. I am Uzma Rashed, home teacher of class 1, Junior Boys School, Morning. Dear students, today we are going to solve the exercise of our lesson at the farm. As you can see, our first question is add ing to the following action words. Our words are hit, dip, run, fit, hop, rub. प्यारे बच्चों, जब भी हम एक्शन वर्ड्स के साथ ऐसे वर्ड्स जिनके साथ कोई एक्शन हो रहा हो, कोई काम हो रहा हो, उनके साथ हम ing लगाते हैं तो उससे पहले एक्शन वर्ड के लास्ट लेटर को हम डबल करते हैं और फिर ing ऐड किया जाता है। मैं आपको सॉल्व करके बताती हूँ। HIT हिट, जब हमने इसमें ing लगाना है तो हम हिट का लास्ट लेटर T डबल करेंगे। HITTING hitting, it becomes hitting. Next word is dip, DIP, and to add ing we will double the letter P. DIPPING, dipping, it becomes dipping. Next word is run, 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 and before adding ing we will double the letter N. RUNNING, running. What does it become? Yes, running. Next word is fit, 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 and FITTING becomes fitting, fitting. HOP, 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 and to add ing we are going to double the letter P. HOPPING, hopping, hopping. Our last word is rub, 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 and to double the letter B and will add ing, it becomes rubbing, RUBBING, rubbing. Yes, I hope you have understood how to add ing to the action words. Next question is very interesting. We know that noun is the name of a person, place, or thing. Person can be anybody, you, me, your friends, your parents, Ali, Seema, whatever. And places as your home, your school, any building, any place has a name. And the thing can be a pencil, a wood, a table, and many more. All these things have some names, and these names are called noun. What are these called? Nouns. and the next word is verb. Verb is the action word that shows some kind of action, as you have seen in your first question where we add ing. We have seen many actions there. And now our next question is separate noun and verb in relevant columns. As you can see, some words: shoe, playing, tomato, tooth, rubbing, desk, buy, tape, boy, sing, see, pencil. All these words can be divided in two columns. One is for noun and the other one is for verb. First of all, I will show you some pictures to clarify the meaning of the word, so it would become easy for you to understand whether it is a noun or a verb. Look, our first word is a shoe. What is this? It is a shoe. Next is playing. Playing. Some action is happening here. Next word is tomato. Name of a thing. Wow. A happy tooth. This word is tooth. Rubbing. Rubbing. The hands are rubbing. Desk. Desk. Buy. The children are buying ice cream. Take. Take. The postman is giving something to the boy and the boy is taking that parcel from the postman. Boy. Boy. Sing. The girl is singing. See. See. Pencil. It's a pencil. Our question number 2 is to separate these words in things and actions. Our first word was shoe. Shoe is coming in things. Shoe is a thing, name. Playing. Playing is an action. Tomato. Tomato is the name of a thing. Rubbing. Rubbing is also an action. Tooth. Tooth is the name of a body part. Buy. Buy is an action. Desk. Desk is the name of a furniture. Take. Take is an action. Boy. Boy is the name of a person. Sing. Singing is also an action. Pencil. Pencil is the name of a thing. And see. See is also an action. I hope you have understood the question clearly. Now look at this picture. Dear students, अब हम अपने लास्ट क्वेश्चन की तरफ आते हैं। हमारे घर में बहुत से लोग होते हैं। उनमें से कुछ लड़के होते हैं और कुछ लड़कियां। उनको हम दो जेंडर्स में डिवाइड करते हैं। लड़कों को हम मेल्स कहते हैं और लड़कियों को फीमेल कहते हैं, जैसे अम्मी, अब्बू, भाई, बहन, नाना, नानी वगैरह। अब जो क्वेश्चन हम करने लगे हैं उसमें हमने जेंडर्स अलग करने हैं। Our next question is put male and female in their respective columns. Grandmother, mother, brother, boy, girl, father, sister, woman, uncle, man, aunt, grandfather. Yes, you can see the two columns, male and female. Brother. Brother is a male and its female is sister. What is the female of brother? Sister. Boy. Boy का female girl. क्या female है boy का? Girl. Man. Man is a male and the female is woman. Yes. Next male is father. And the father, female of a father is mother. Do you understand? Next word is uncle. And the female of uncle is aunt. Grandfather. And the female of grandfather is grandmother. Wow, did you enjoy this question? Now it's time for our home assignment. Solve the exercise in study material given to you. This is your homework. You have to solve this exercise in your study material. Thank you. Take care. Allah Hafiz.